Hi guys, today we are going to discuss our latest taxi booking application Cabzoo, and we are going to discuss how this app works, how the user can book taxi and other rides, how the driver can accept it, how user will log in and much more. So if you are looking for your own taxi application, then this is the video for you. In this application, a user can book basic taxi, rental, outstation. He can also log in by mobile number, OTP, refer and earn and much more. So if you are looking for an application with these functionalities, then this is the video for you. This is the user app. You can see. You can download it from the Play Store. And this is how it will look. Now enter your mobile number. It will send you a OTP on your number. Remember, at the time of registration, when you will create a new account, it will send you a OTP to verify your account and a name, and then you can enter your email and set a password. That's it. And that's how easily you can create an account in our ready-made taxi booking application Cabzoo. And yeah, this is the main app. You can see it's a very user-friendly and mobile-friendly and a very good-looking application. Now you can choose your pickup and your drop location like this. I'm choosing my drop location. And this is how it's taking the drop location. I can choose the taxi to be booked for daily or rental or outstation. Daily means I want to go from one place to another. Rental means I want to hire for 1 hour, 2 hour and more. We will discuss more in this video. Now I can choose any coupon code and I can choose cash or online payment. And now I will click on confirm booking. And now that's how a user make a booking. And now your booking will go to all the nearby drivers available. And that is the alarm sound all the drivers will receive, so they do not miss any booking. Now they will accept the booking like this, and that is how you make a booking in your application by using the user app, and the driver will accept the booking. And now let's assume the driver has reached to your destination, to your pickup location, so he will click on at point. So he has reached to your place to pick you up. And now let's assume that you are ready to start your trip. So he will click on start trip. To start trip, he will need to enter the OTP that is showing to you right now in your application. The OTP here is 1217. He will enter this OTP so we can verify the correct customer has been picked up. So there is no mismatch in the customer pickup. And now you are on the ride. That's how a driver will accept the booking and start the ride in the Cabzoo application. If you are looking for an application like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit ronix.com. And now you are on the trip. In this application, we also have SOS feature, that is for the emergency call option. If you have any emergency safety issue, then you can directly click on it and it can help you to call the nearest help person available. And now you have reached to your destination, and now the driver will click on end trip, and now you can give a 5-star rating to the driver like this. And yeah, that's how basically you book a taxi. The driver will accept the taxi booking and complete the taxi booking. Now you can see it in my rides, and you can see what was the taxi price, what was the taxes, what was the toll charges and everything by using the driver and the user app. And this is the admin of the application. You can see all the vehicle categories, all the drivers. You can also see your all bookings. This is the dashboard. You can see latest bookings, graphs and much more. You can see all the customers and their mobile numbers. So if you want to see any detail, you can see it over here. You can also verify new drivers, and you can also add different vehicles, and you can also check what is your earning, what is the driver earning and much more. If you want to know more about this app, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also directly visit ronix.com. If you want to know more about this app, I suggest to watch this video. It will get you an idea what are the other features of this application. And if you are looking for a complete good feature taxi and bike booking application like Uber and Ola and Rapido with daily ride, outstation, rental, OTP login, refer and earn, cancellation charges, toll charges, very good speed, alarm sound and much more, then I suggest you can directly contact us so we can make this app for your business. Remember, your app will be with your branding, with your logo. And that's all about this video. I'll see you in the next video. For more, you can drop your queries in the comments, or you can also directly visit ronix.com. Thank you.